Hello, teacher. We are going to expose about the offset report. Our group is confirmed about the Avila, Castañeda, Diaz, and González Bejarano. Okay, teacher. Is the most important. The table of contents is first, what are offsets? Two, learn about offsets in Colombia. Three, how can we open markets for our country through offsets? Explain direct offset, explain indirect offsets, and the last is explore a real life offset case study and discuss its benefits. Okay, teacher first.
The first, introduction to offsets. This term offsets is used to design a variety of arrangements international trade through which, from the moment of the purchase agreement, the selling company or country determines to grant the purchasing country or company a consideration or economic concession for the acquisition of a good. Offset functions, therefore, as a technological and or commercial industrial compensatory practice in government to government or commercial sales, through which a benefit is created for the buyer as a condition for the commercialization of equipment, which generally must be technology or capital intensive. These consideration requirements for an acquisition extend to what the private and public sectors of the purchasing country, especially when the export products is commercial. However, this documental will focus of the application of the offset mechanisms in the international market for defense goods and service and the sales of military equipment abroad. The second.
The second is offset in Colombia. In Colombia, the implementation of offset has been primarily associated with the defense sector. However, its application has gradually spread to other strategic sectors. The country has sought to leverage these mechanisms to strengthen the national defense industry, promote technology transfer, develop technical capabilities, generate skilled employment, and increase exports of Colombian products and service. The Ministry of National Defense, through its industrial cooperation and offset group, has been the main driver of these agreements in the country. Colombia offset policy seeks to ensure that for every dollar invest in foreign military purchase, a similar return is generated through investments, technology transfers, or market opening. 3.
Promotion of Colombian export. Foreign supplies commit an acquiring or promotion the acquisition of Colombian goods and services in international markets. This may include the inclusion of Colombian companies in their global supply chains, facilitating access to markets. We are the supplier and has an stable presence, and the certification of Colombian products according to international standards. Strategic alliance. Develop, develop of the products in the international market, leveraging the foreign partners, distribution channels, and the transfer of knowledge in international marketing and sales. Develop of export capacities. Implementation of programs to extend the capacities of Colombian companies to compete with international standards, optimize production process, and train personnel in foreign trade. Explain direct offsets. Direct offsets refers to offset agreements directly related to the accurate products of or system. These agreements involving participation of local industry in aspect specifically linked to main contract characteristics. Focus on the transfer of capabilities related to the accuracy system directly involved in the industry in the specific sector of the main contract. Promotes the long-term sustainability and invest. Strengthens self-sufficiency in the maintenance and operation of system. 5.
Okay, teacher 5. Explain the indirect offset. This includes offset agreements not directly relate to accurate product or system. These agreements seek to generate economical, industrial, or technological benefits in sectors of the that many contract. Okay, the characteristics of the indirect offset is not linked to the product or system under the main contract, can benefit various sectors of the economy, offers greater flexibility in this implementation, and allows for diversification of offset benefits. Okay, teacher, the last point is investigate a real life offset case study and describe its benefits. The case study in this report is the acquisition of Kafir combat aircraft for the Colombian Air Force. The case study of offset in Colombia um, is the acquisition of the Kafir combat aircraft from Israel Aerospace Industries in the 1990. And their subsequent upgrade, Colombia initially acquired a fleet of Kafir C2 aircraft and later upgrade to C7 and C10 versions. As part of these contracts, the following contracts were negotiated in signification of the offset agreements. Benefits is technological and industrial benefits, economic and strategic in the occupied Colombia in very sectors in defense and explain the different training and different topics in defense. This is bibliography teacher. Thanks.